Why do 60% of Cardano users struggle with staking certificates? Let's simplify it for you. First up, understand your certificates. You've got the staking key registration certificate. Register it once and you're good to go. Then there's the delegation certificate. Use this to choose or switch your staking pool anytime. Creating these certificates is easy. Use a Cardano wallet like Daedalus or Yoroi and follow the on-screen prompts. Feeling techie? The command line interface has got you covered too. Store them safely. Regular wallet backups are a must. For extra safety, keep a copy of your recovery phrase offline. Ready to delegate? Pick a reputable staking pool, create a delegation certificate, and submit it. Watch out for those tiny transaction fees. Keep an eye on your rewards using your wallet or a blockchain explorer. Want to change pools? Just create and submit a new delegation certificate. And finally, claim those hard-earned rewards by regularly checking your wallet. Follow these steps, and you'll be a Cardano staking pro in no time.